Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this amazing cabbage stew recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into preparation. This is my cabbage and this was for 1,000. So I'm gonna wash this till it is clean. I'll transfer it to my chopping board and I'll cut this to size, and that will enable my blender to blend it easily until smooth. This time around, fresh tomatoes is not joking with us, and we have also devised a means to make it work for us without fresh tomatoes. And this cabbage is really a good alternative for the fresh tomatoes. Here our sweet tomatoes is about 4 for 500 and this is 1,000 naira cabbage. I'm trying to compare it and this is no match at all. This is a better alternative. So this is what I got. Okay, so I'm going to transfer it next into my blender. And I'll add in my habanero pepper, bell pepper and onion. I'll transfer that into my blender. I'm going to add in water for easy blending. So we'll blend this till it is very smooth. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. For those that are coming for the first time, you are welcome here. Here we do amazing recipe that you will love. Please stay connected. This is after blending. So I was trying to compare and the difference is too much. So that was a good one. So in my pan, I'll add in my vegetable oil. I'll heat it up a bit and I'll add in my onion. Next, I'll be adding in my tomato paste. So I'm going to fry this tomato paste till the sour taste goes off. I'm going to do this on a low heat and I'll monitor it to avoid it from burning. You know, the tomatoes these days is something else here, so we are looking for alternative, and as it is, this can go for an alternative. So I'll cover this and cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes I'll come back to check on the sauce and it's doing perfectly well. Next, I'm going to transfer my cabbage mixture into the pan and I'm going to fry this for a bit. I'm going to be adding in my seasoning powder. Use any seasoning powder of choice. Next, I'll add in curry powder. Next, I'll go in with my ginger powder. You can use the fresh ginger if that's what you want. Next, I'll be adding in my garlic powder also. Use the fresh one if that's what you want. So I'll give this a good stir. I'm going to mix everything together to combine. Next, I'll be adding in my chicken broth. You can use any broth that you have or you can use water. So I'm going to stir everything. Next, I'll be adding in my crayfish powder. So you can use as much as you want. I added just small quantity of crayfish. I'm going to stir everything together and allow this to cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes I'll come back to check the sauce and it's doing great. See how colorful this is. Please test for salt, test for seasoning powder, test and balance what you have. Next, I'll be adding in my protein. You can use any protein of choice. That will be fine. I'm going to stir this and cook for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, voila, and this was the final result. I paired mine with rice, and you can also pair yours with whatever you like. I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.